All right, we got Velocity Mill. Check. Never been in a beehive before. Greenhorn. Okay, we got bees flying around,
Uh-huh.
and you can see there's several. We're going to check it and see if there's a swarm inside or if it's just scout bees. So you've just got scout bees.
It looks empty.
They're just checking it out, inspecting it to see if they can fit in there.
Do you want me to check it more from the top?
No, that's all you gotta do.
All right.
Then you ease your lid back down. Make sure it's on all the way around. So that means they are interested in it. Good job, Velocity.
All good.
You're natural.